Hello, I'm Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. And we provide different solutions regarding Google Ads, Facebook Ads, SEO services, and web development service. So, in case if you need one such service, the details are in the description of this video. So, without wasting any further time, let's get started on the question we have today. And the question today I have is: should I create optimized landing page dedicated for each keyword? Should I do broad match as recommended by Google or exact match? So they are asking two questions. Should I create optimized landing page for each keyword and which keyword type to choose? So let me answer the question. The first part, should I create optimized landing page dedicated for each keyword? Okay, my best fantasy, my favorite fantasy is that you are going to create a dedicated page for each keyword. Now, because when you are creating a new campaign, or even for some established business, it's not always possible to create a new landing page for each keyword. But if you ask me, my fantasy is, yeah, you need to create a new one. More customized, more personalization is going to give more, is going to attract more customer attention, and that's how we can generate more business. So that is one number one answer. But since it's not possible, you can use STAG, single themed ad group, where in STAG what happens is you are going to analyze for each keyword the theme behind it, and then select 3 to 4 5 keywords and create a specific forward page for that, and then move on that concept, and that can uh, be easy for you and win-win for you as well. STAG. And the second question is, should I do broad match as recommended by Google or exact match? So if you ask me regarding the keyword match type to choose, my recommendations are, I've been seeing on various platforms, is to go with the exact match, which is like this: your keyword and the phrase match. Okay, if you ask me, broad match, it's a big no, big no. Never ever go with the broad match. You are going to waste a lot of money. We are going to waste a lot of resources. So it's a big no. I will never recommend to go with it. You are going to waste your money over it. Unless and until you have money to waste on, yeah, that is another scenario. Otherwise, it's a no, big no from me. So use either of these options and you should be fine with it. So broad match, or I mean phrase match or exact match, and you should be fine. So I hope it answers your question. So thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And in case if you need me or my team company services, the details are in the description of this video. And in case if you have any questions to ask from me like this, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video, and I will be happy to answer. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.